Every babysitter I hire quits within 2 weeks and won't tell me why, so I bought a hidden camera. The first one was a college girl named Becca who seemed perfect. After 11 days, she texted me that she couldn't come back and wouldn't say why. I called her 6 times before she finally picked up. Becca, please just tell me what happened. Did one of the kids do something? No, the kids were great. And what the kids? Long pause. I just can't work there anymore. I'm sorry. She blocked me no more. The kid, what is more? What is it like? I'm sure. Carnage kids were great. I'm fine, sorry. Second bed, just lasted 9 days. The name unique, and she's a flaky 2-year-old one out of 2. Tandy's a flaky spirit. She seemed completely uncheckable. Then I came home from work on a Tuesday and she was already gone. The kids were alone in the living room watching cartoons. I called her immediately. Monique, what happened? You left my kids alone. I'm sorry, I can't explain. Please don't call me again. You can't just leave children alone in a house. I need to know what happened. I'm sorry, I just can't come back there. Please don't call me HR. I hope